How to change username on Roblox PC. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to change your username on Roblox PC. First, go to the Roblox website roblox.com and sign in to your account using your current username and password. Once logged in, click on the gear icon located in the upper right corner of the page. Then, click on the settings option. Now this will take you to your account settings page. On the account settings page, look for the section labeled username. Located next to your current username, you should see an edit button. So, simply click on this button. After clicking the edit button, you'll be prompted to verify your email address. So, simply tap on the verify email button. Then, click on OK in this window. Next, go to your Gmail. Depending on your account security settings, you may need to verify the username change through an email sent to your registered email address. Once your email is confirmed, you can then change your username on Roblox. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.